In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shop and Deliver in the Dasher app. Shop and Deliver is a simple way to earn by doing the shopping yourself and then delivering the order to the customer. Before you begin, make sure your Dasher app is updated and that you have your red card with you. Only Dashers who have this feature enabled and who have a red card will see Shop and Deliver offers, so having both in place is essential. Start by opening the Dasher app and getting to the home screen. A strong connection and location services turned on will help the app show nearby opportunities accurately. From here, you'll want to enable the Shop and Deliver feature. You can find it in Dasher Preferences, which you can access by tapping the lines above the Dash Now button or by going into your account menu. Look for the Shop and Deliver option and toggle it on. When it's enabled, you're ready to see these orders. Once it's on, Shop and Deliver offers will start appearing right on your main screen along with your other potential dashes. They're clearly labelled and you'll typically see the store name, estimated earnings, distance and item count. Take a moment to review the details so you can decide if the order fits your time and location. When you're comfortable with an offer, accept it to get started. After you accept an order, head to the store listed and open the in-app shopping list. The app will guide you through each item. Mark items as found as you go and pay attention to sizes, brands and quantities to avoid substitutions you don't need. If something is out of stock, use the app's suggested substitutions or follow the instructions provided. When scanning is requested, scan the barcode to confirm you've got the exact product. Keep fragile items like eggs and bread on top and keep cold items together so they stay chilled. At checkout, you'll pay with your red card. Make sure the total aligns with the app and that any discounts or loyalty prompts are handled as directed by the store and the app. Keep the receipt if the app suggests it, just in case support needs to verify something later. When you're done paying, start the delivery in the app and follow the navigation to the customer. Read any drop-off notes, place the order where requested, and take a photo if prompted. Mark the delivery complete in the app and you're all set. That's it. Enable Shop and Deliver, watch for the orders on your main screen, accept Shop, pay with your red card, and deliver with care.